In this video, I'm going to show you how to unmute a conversation on your iPhone. So if you muted somebody but you don't know how to unmute them because you want to receive their notifications, even ring notifications, here's what you need to do. You need to open up your messages, and basically the icon that has this like bell crossed means that you won't be getting like notifications from them. So what you need to do is go from right to the left and click on this bell icon again. And as you can see, this contact doesn't have the bell icon anymore, and now you will get all of the notifications from them, ring notifications and etc. And you can do this for all of the contacts that have this bell icon. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.